You're not lazy. Your brain just thinks your homework is a bear. Whenever something feels hard, boring, or overwhelming, your brain goes into threat mode. It's like, nope, let's not die today. This is real. It's called task avoidance. When your brain doesn't feel safe, it shuts off dopamine, the stuff that makes you want to do things. So instead, you scroll, watch videos, play Roblox, because they give you tiny hits of dopamine without asking for effort. That tiny win gets the dopamine flowing. You feel a little proud. Then you do one more. Your brain's trying to protect you. But it's protecting you from the wrong thing, not from danger, just from discomfort. Here's what actually works. Trick your brain into feeling safe. Pick a task that takes less than 2 minutes, like opening your notes, clearing your desk, writing one word. Every time you win, even a tiny win, you get a bit more dopamine. And dopamine doesn't just reward you, it makes you want to keep going. So here's your challenge. Do one 2-minute task right now, just one. When you're done, come back and comment done. Seriously, let's flood the comments. Motivation doesn't come first. Safety comes first. Then action, then dopamine, then momentum. So don't wait to feel ready. Start with safe. If this helped you, hit subscribe. Next time, we're talking about why your brain loves chaos more than clean spaces.